Hello guys, in this tutorial we want to make a Amazon header. It is so simple. Don't be guilty because this is when I am coding, so it is easy for me. And I know when you listen my lecture and otherwise things, so you can learn easily. Okay, all right. First of all, we make a header. All right. Delete it and make a div which put the class name is header. Alright, and this header we want to make three three container. When we um, height it and also space between, then first of all div make a div class name logo. Alright, I wrote it Amazon clone. Alright, now you can see the results, and also we make a div class name is equal to search. In search we make a input type text placeholder, make a search product. Alright, and then close it. Alright, it's time to make our install the package react icons. Alright, copy it and you copy it, then come to the points. Alright, install and paste it, which one I am already installed it. Okay, and now we make a div class name put search icons. Alright, just icon, make it icon. Okay, and it's time to fa search. Right, this package I am already installed. Okay, from react icon slash f. Now you can see the icon, so color let it black, just make it size 30 pixel. What happened, just remove the slash. Okay, comes to this area, and this is area we want to make this table is alright. On div class name make it icons. Okay, in div. Okay, fa shopping cart. Alright, make its size is equal to 25 pixel. Alright, what happened? I think I made a mistake. Okay, copy it and paste it again. In this area, make a FA user circle. Right, now it's time to come the this area. Alright, it's time to make it. Alright, now just you see it, first one header. Alright, height make it auto. Okay, and width make 100%, and background color make it black. Oh, and display flag, flags, and align item make it center, and justify content at center. Sorry, space between the. Now you can see the result. All thing got it this one. Okay, now let's make 2D flags work when it's time to logo. Color make it white, and padding make it 1 rem, and see the result. Alright, font size make it 25 pixel, and font width alright, make it bold. Here we go. Alright, it's time to make it input. Alright, input, and type make it text. Alright, width make it 70 pixel. Right, use padding 11.7, 11.7, and for width piece pixel. Alright, not what happen. I think I remove. I forgive me. Oh, and make margin 8 pixel and 0. Alright, and now border make a none, and cursor make it border, and border color orange. Now it's time to and make it place folder font size big, font size make it 60 pixel, and font width make it 6. Alright, now you can see the result. Alright, and it's time to upside this thing and make search it better. Display flex align item center. Now you can see the result. Yeah, and I think width make a 70%. Right, I'll remove this. Right, it's time to come to this area and color make it white. Copy it, sorry, copy it and paste it. Alright, it's time to make it icon. Display flex align atom center. Yes, and a little bit margin. Dot icon dot margin 0 per pixel. Alright, now it's time to make it this one, and for this one I want to put this part. First of all, background color make it orange. See this thing, and height make it 30 pixel, and width make it 50 pixel. Alright, in this module display make it flex and align it and make it center, and justify content center for the center. Yes, now it's time to build some type of radius like here. See the result. Border, bottom, bottom dash right, radius this pixel. See, border left right make it pixel, sorry, make it right. Now your header is already defined, so now comes to the second header. Okay, okay, this is one of the easiest All right. Make it div. Class name. Make it categories. 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 And now make a div. And copy it, paste it 5 times. First name put it mobile, laptop, laptop, and monitors and computer accessories. Computer accessory means spare parts. All right. Phone. Now copy this one and comes to the CSS file. Display, make it flex. All right. The height, make it 6 and background color, make RGBA red, make it 4, green, make it 5, and blue, make it 4, and alpha mean whole 0.8229. Okay boys, it's time to align atom, make it center, and color, make it white. All right. And font family use Arial, Helvetica, and font size, make it 6 pixels. This category negative, and margin, make it for little bit space. You can see. Okay, text, or remove this one. Let's make it all right.